Okay guys, let's take a look at some of the Enterprise upgrades. We got a C300 here, another of my favorites. BMW looks like an X1, one of those Mercedes GLC 300s. Another BMW, maybe an X1. A220, I think these Mercedes are. 3 Series, 330i, BMW sunroof. One of these GLC 300s. Another BMW 330i. Oh, it looks like we got 3 of them here. Yeah, oh, and this one looks like it might almost be new. Just looking at the plates. I have a feeling these are probably locked. And then this might actually be the thumbnail for the video. This 5-liter Mustang with the spoiler and the upgraded wheels. Performance pack. This thing is loaded. This would be the one to have. So to have the Bang & Olufsen stereo system in it. If it's not locked, I'll give you guys a quick peek of the interior. If you can see the carbon fiber dash. And oh boy, there's so many cars that run out of places to park them. Kia, BMW, Chevy, Grand Cherokee, one of these Infinity SUVs, Corolla. Chevy, we got a Passat. Oh boy. Yeah, they're running out of room. They're running out of room for the returns here too. Oh, we got a Mini Cooper. Oh, US car. Okay, minivan. One of those are GMC Canyons. And here we got a bunch of Expeditions, larger SUVs, larger pickup. Oh boy, man, it's just, they got them jammed in everywhere here. And there's another Wrangler kind of hiding behind here. Another pickup truck. This is this. Oh, this might be a higher trim, is it? Or is it the XL? No, it's XLT. XLT. And actually, I won't bother going through the over. These are returns, but there was a Grand Cherokee in there, just so you can get a sense. There's tons of cars here. So if you're renting from National Alamo or Enterprise, not a problem. Okay, let's have a look. 2 more aisles here in Enterprise. Maybe I'll split these up so they're a little bit better sized. Maybe I can split off Enterprise here. We got a Hyundai Sonata, Wrangler, Edge, Ford Edge, Subaru, a little bit larger of a wagon. I don't think that's the Outback, that's a bigger one. Chevy Traverse, GMC, smaller one, VW, Hyundai, got a Kia. Oh, we got not too many of these Mazda Maximas. Sorry, Nissan Maximas. Again, we always get the SL trim. We're lucky to get that up here in Canada. We got a Corolla. Beside this Camry. We got a Kia, Mazda 6. There's some people picking up a Hyundai Elantra over there. Malibu, another Mercedes C300. Camry, we got a Chrysler 300. We got a Escape pulling in here. Another Santa Fe, RAV4. These smaller Toyotas, sorry. Mazda 3 Series, maybe a CX-3, Edge. And we got an Explorer, looks like a Limited. Smaller Ford compact SUV. We got a Kia Kona and a smaller Mazda, probably like a 3 Series. Okay, I think I'm going to split these up into smaller videos for you guys. I think I'm going to try and split off Enterprise and see how that goes. Again, feel free to leave comments, suggestions, feedback, questions in the comments below. If there's anything in particular you guys want me to take a closer look at, any questions you have, just again, feel free to comment below. And thanks for watching. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, click on the like button. And I'll see you guys in the next one.